I had written a piece on this and a lot of people commented on it. I had two questions. Fundamental question is, if these people were not needed in business, you as an entrepreneur only had approved their enrollment and employment, what happened then? And second point is, if pandemic did not take place, would you have removed them? And third, the people whom you have retrenched, on what criteria did you retrench? My experience is people who are close to the owner, close to the entrepreneur, I put quote unquote, they remained. But people who may have been effective but not so close to the entrepreneur were shown the door. So that's not what entrepreneurship is about. Somebody who has helped you to build your organization, you abandon that person the moment uncertainty creeps up, is not the hallmark of a great entrepreneur. And if you see organizations which keep their money within the organization, they sailed through the pandemic. You may have given less, you took the team along, but you did not put anybody on the road. However, there are organizations very profitable, but who had taken away the money out of the organization, they were in dire straits. So entrepreneurship to me is about how do you deal with uncertainties, and the point that you made, how does your team align to uncertainties? How do you anticipate uncertainty? How do you prepare for those uncertainties? What are the risk mitigation strategies that you take is very key to become a successful entrepreneur. Now, if that is the, if you agree to that definition, take 5 minutes on your table and answer this question. What are the uncertainties entrepreneurs have to deal with most? Things which cuts across industries. Quick, a discussion around your table, and then I would like to hear from every table. What are the uncertainties that entrepreneurs